Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given the following information. 25% infected. And the number infected, 6. So straight away I know 25% represents 6 of them. Find the total number, and this is important. Total number in this case is represented by 100%. So in my working, I must first find 1%. I'm going to divide by 25 on both sides. After which I will find my 100%. Times 100 on both sides, and this will give me 24. And now that I know 100% is 24, I can write down my short statement now. Total number of staff is 24. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.